Hi class, now this video is on lesson 8. So in front of us here is one of the problems that we did a few days ago. This is how you read it. What power of 4, which is exponent, right? What power of 4 is 64? So let's take a look first at exponential form and also log form. Okay, so in log form, this here, what power means exactly the same as the word log. Then you can write down 4 as your base, which is this here, and of 64, and you're trying to solve for the value of x since we don't know what it is. So from here, transforming it back into exponential form, you're going to first begin with the base 4. Then you move on to the power of x equals to 64. So when you guys complete this here, be sure that both answers, 4 to the what power is 64. So you'll see that 4 to the x equals to 4 to the third power. 16 times 4, I believe. 64. Okay, so that means that I told you guys in the previous video, if 4 are the same, the bases are the same, all you need to do is set the exponents equal to each other. And that's the final answer. Next one here. This is more about exponents. So here, there will always be an imaginary 1 here and an imaginary 2 here. So it's the same thing as 2 to the x power equals to 2 to the 1/2. So the final answer is x equals to 1/2. So in other words, when you see radical 36, it's the same thing as 36 to the 1/2. So the final answer would be 6. Go ahead and attempt number 2. Pause the video and try it out. Same thing with number 3 as well. Now that you're done completing it on your own, you will see that anything to the 0 power equals to 1. So here x equals to 0 in other words. So let's say 17 to the 0 power equals to 1. Anything to 0 power is 1. Okay, number 3. Notice that you must change it into exponential form first. So here you have 4 to the x power equals to 1 over 16. From here, let's check this out. Our goal is to change this 4 so it can look like 1 over 16. So you will see that, hey, we need to change from 4 to 1 over 4. That means x needs to be a negative. Then we need to square it to get it to look like 1 over 16. So the answer is negative 2. So let's test it out to make sure that it's correct. So we have, once again, 4 to the power of negative 2. Let's see if it's correct. That negative, once again, put it over 1. That negative means that you need to reciprocal. Flip this fraction to 1 over 4. And now it's still to the second power. So positive 2 now, instead of a negative. You square this, that means you have 1 over 4 times 1 over 4. So now you're going to get 1 over 16. And yes, that's correct because it matches up with here. So once again, pause your video and try number 4 and come back when you're ready. Okay, now that you're back, here it is, 1 over 3. Make sure you put it into exponential form once again. To the x power equals to 27. Now let's take a look here. Our goal is to change this 1/3 to make it look like 27. So let's see, we need to flip it first. So let's change it to 3 over 1. And 3 over 1 is the same thing as 3. So let's just go ahead and just change this as a 3 only. So here it is, a 3 now. So that means that x must be for sure a negative. Then, what power do we raise it to get to 27? It's going to be 3. And that's it. So it's going to be negative 3. Once again, let's test it out to see if it's correct. So we have 1 over 3 to the negative 3. So the negative means that we got to flip it. Okay, let's do so. Let's do 3 over 1 right now to the third power, which is the same thing as 3 to the third power. And this means you multiply 3 times. 3 times 3 times 3 gives us 27. And that's it. It matches up with what we wanted. And that's the final answer. So you can pause, replay if you need, if you didn't understand it the first time. And that's all I have for today. So good luck. Make sure you guys review both lesson 7 and lesson 8. Thank you very much.